Okay, so mounting your GoPro upside down on the peak of your full face. Okay, so there is the mount, and you can see it's kind of cut away a little bit at the top up there to allow for you to get underneath or mount it slightly on top of the ratchet, which pretty much obviously alters or tightens this thing up there. Okay, and then if we just turn that around, you can see again that's how it's mounted, and it's kind of right up on the edge there, like that. And literally you get your GoPro and your mount. There's GoPro and the mounts. You need the kind of slightly extended one with the bend in it, and then literally upside down. Well, push that bad boy in there, and boom, that's mounted quite nicely. Job done. And when you wear it, actually it kind of just sits properly anyway, so that'll sit slightly forward to give you like a good point of view shot. The end.